Welcome back. Let's take a look at uploading a school roster to SwiftScreen. Find and click on the school that you would like to update. On this page, you can either drag and drop or click on the icon to find the file you would like to upload. Be sure that your data is saved as a CSV file. If the categories on your rosters are different from ours, don't worry, you can simply drag and drop them to the correct spots. If you accidentally drag one of the categories into the wrong field, simply cancel it out and move it to the correct one. In order to submit the roster, you only need to match the data in the required categories. Now that your school has students, our next video will take a look at the screening process.